Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best wireless HDMI is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets for home theater setups and digital signage, offering a seamless way to stream high-definition video and audio without the hassle of tangled wires. This wireless freedom allows for flexible placement of displays, eliminating the limitations of fixed HDMI cable runs and opening up a world of possibilities for creating immersive and convenient entertainment experiences, especially in spaces where running cables is difficult or impossible. Today, we will explore the top wireless HDMI transmitters and receivers on the market, helping you choose the perfect one to enhance your home entertainment or professional presentation needs. Number 5. Wireless HDMI Extender Kit. It supports both screen mirroring and extension. You can easily share your laptop, camera, or TV box content on any HD TV, projector, or monitor. Setup is effortless, just plug it in and go. No complicated apps, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi needed. Enjoy a clutter-free workspace. Experience exceptional visuals with its support for 4K decoding and 1080p 60Hz output. Perfect for presentations, gaming, or family movie nights. It boasts a wireless transmission range of up to 98 feet, 30 meters. Enjoy a reliable connection, even through walls. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel. Take it with you on business trips or vacations for seamless connectivity. Please note it's not compatible with mobile phones or tablets. If your computer lacks sufficient power, use an external power adapter, 5V2A, for the transmitter. What we like. It boasts a truly plug-and-play setup, eliminating the hassle of complex configurations. Its 4K support ensures stunning visuals. If you need a reliable wireless connection within 98 feet, this is the perfect choice for your home theater or office presentations. What people say. The auto-connecting within 10 seconds truly delivers on its promise, eliminating the need for manual pairing or driver installation. This plug-and-play simplicity has saved me time and the usual frustrations associated with traditional wired connections. The performance of this wireless HDMI kit is outstanding. I've used it in various rooms of my house, and the long-range signal penetrates walls without any loss of quality or interruption. The video quality is impeccable, with no compression artifacts or latency issues. It adopts advanced wireless transmission technology to stably transmit HD video and audio signals to the receiver, completely free from cables. It uses low-latency wireless transmission technology to ensure real-time synchronization of video and audio signals, with hardly any delay felt. Number 4. TIMBOOTECH Wireless HDMI Extender. Effortlessly stream 4K HDR video and audio to any large screen. It's perfect for home theaters, presentations, or gaming. It's auto-paired and ready to use right out of the box. No apps, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi needed, just plug it in and enjoy. Duplicate your screen for a mirrored image or extend it to show different content on multiple screens. The choice is yours. Enjoy stunning 4K at 30 Hz resolution for the most realistic and immersive viewing experience. It breathes new life into older TVs. With a range of up to 165 feet, it maintains a strong, reliable connection even through walls. Stream from another room without issue. It works with a wide variety of devices, from laptops and cameras to game consoles and smartphones. It's versatile and adaptable to your needs. Pair up to 8 transmitters with one receiver. It also supports screen mirroring from various devices using Miracast, DLNA, and AirPlay. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including transmitters, receivers, cables, and a user manual. We've got you covered. What we like. This offers an impressive 165-foot wireless range, perfect for larger spaces or multi-room setups. Enjoy smooth 4K at 30 Hz streaming. If you need to mirror or extend your screen across a significant distance, this is your ideal solution. What people say. Setting up the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver was incredibly straightforward. With just a few simple connections to my laptop and a classroom projector, I was able to stream video and audio wirelessly in minutes. In terms of performance, the device delivers exceptional quality. It supports up to 1080p HD resolution, ensuring that every presentation, video, and image is displayed with clarity and vibrant colors. The audio quality is also top-notch, with no noticeable lag or distortion, allowing for a seamless integration of multimedia content into lessons. This works well as a wireless HDMI cable. Any HDMI source can be connected to the transmitter, then any HD TV monitor or projector with HDMI port can display the source with the receiver connected to the HDMI input. A perfect wireless HDMI cable without having to hide 160 feet of HDMI cable across the room. Number 3. TTQ Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver. It's incredibly easy to use, just plug it in and it connects in seconds. Enjoy stunning 1080p video quality on a bigger screen, without the mess of cables. This device boasts a powerful 5G chip and advanced antenna for a stable, long-range connection of up to 100 feet. Streaming is smooth and virtually lag-free. It works with a variety of devices, from PCs and laptops to cameras and TV boxes. Project your content onto a larger screen for a better viewing experience. Smartphones and iPads are not supported. Its durable metal casing and compact design make it perfect for home use or taking on the go. It's also incredibly user-friendly with one-click connection and disconnection. A handy LED display shows the signal strength, so you always know the connection status. For optimal performance, use a Type-C charger with at least 5V2A. Inside the box, you'll find the transmitter, receiver, user manual, HDMI converters, charging cables, and an extended HDMI cable. It also comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support. What we like. Its durable metal casing ensures longevity. It provides a stable connection up to 100 feet. If you value a robust, long-lasting device with a crisp 1080p output, this is the one for you. What people say. The setup was super easy, just plug and play, no need for apps or Bluetooth. The signal is strong and stable, even at a distance of around 100 feet, with no noticeable lag. The 4K decoding with 1080p output looks sharp, and the dual-band 2.4G and 5G helps maintain a smooth connection. It's truly plug and play, no Wi-Fi, apps, or Bluetooth needed. I had it up and running in under 10 seconds, and it delivers stunning 1080p visuals at 60 Hz. The dual-band, 2.4G and 5G, connection is super reliable, with a 100-foot range and almost no lag. It even works through walls. Works great for projecting PS5 to project screen. Can plug any device directly into the router and stream to any HDMI monitor TV within about 100 feet with very little lag. Not optimal for fast competitive games but otherwise handles HD movies great, really easy to use. Number 2. Wireless HDMI Extender Kit. This kit lets you send your HDMI signal up to 820 feet away wirelessly. It's perfect for extending your home theater or office setup without messy cables. Enjoy sharp, vibrant images and smooth video with its full 1080p resolution at 60 Hz. It's great for movies, gaming, and more. It features a loop-out port, so you can connect a local display. You can also control your source device remotely using the included IR cables. It's incredibly easy to set up. Just plug it in and you're ready to go, no software needed. It works with a wide range of devices, from laptops and game consoles to TVs and projectors. You can even expand it to support up to 4 receivers. While the maximum range is 820 feet in open space, walls and other obstacles may reduce the distance. The range also decreases slightly when using multiple receivers. We offer a 1-year limited warranty and excellent customer support. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. With its extended 820-foot range, it's ideal for expansive venues or challenging environments. The loop-out feature adds flexibility, and IR control provides added convenience. If you need extreme range and added control features, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. It actually has a pretty strong signal. It is pretty reliable and does not cause any disconnect or choppiness. Once you have it set up, it is good to go every time. It does not require any drive installation. The signal range is pretty good. I can connect it from another room so I am able to play videos easier. In terms of video quality, the image quality is not bad. I did not see much issue in lagging or buffering as much. Number 1. Wireless HDMI Kit 4K. It supports resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz, giving you clear and vivid images on a large screen. Enjoy lag-free streaming for presentations, movies, or gaming. It's compatible with laptops, smartphones, game consoles, and more. Additional adapters are included for even broader compatibility. It's plug and play, no drivers or apps are needed. Simply connect it to your devices and enjoy wireless streaming. Share pictures, videos, games, and more wirelessly on a big screen. It's perfect for home entertainment, business meetings, or education. It offers stable transmission up to 165 feet 50 m. Enjoy wireless freedom without worrying about signal interruptions, although walls may affect range. It works with most HDMI output devices, making it versatile for various uses and locations. It's lightweight and easy to carry. For optimal performance, use a 5V1A or higher power charger with the transmitter and receiver. Insufficient power may cause interruptions or lag. What we like. It supports 4K at 30 Hz resolution for sharp visuals and a 165-foot range for flexible placement. Its included adapters enhance compatibility with various devices. If you need a versatile solution with great range and resolution, this is the perfect option. What people say. This was plug and play and was working right out of the box. There did not seem to be any lag with the video or audio. The quality of the picture was as advertised. This product is exactly as described and has worked flawlessly for us. No lagging issues at all, which is impressive for a wireless setup. The video quality is sharp, and the sound comes through crystal clear. The product is easy to set up and is plug and play as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.